Burning fat made easy, tips and tricks. Welcome to Life Well Lived, your go-to destination for transforming your health and mastering your body's potential. In today's video, we dive deep into the world of fat burning, offering you not just theories but proven strategies and debunked myths that pave the way to real results. If you're battling with stubborn belly fat or confused about how your body uses fuel, you're in the right place. Join us as we explore the secrets to shedding weight effectively and switching your primary energy source from sugar to fat. To begin, it's crucial to understand what fat burning really entails. Contrary to popular belief, fat burning isn't just about sweating at the gym or cutting back on calories drastically. It's a complex biochemical process influenced by various hormones and enzymes in your body. Today, we'll break down these processes and show you how to make them work in your favor. One of the biggest hurdles in successful weight loss is navigating through the myriad of myths surrounding fat burning. Many believe that frequent, intense cardio is the only way to burn fat. To optimize your body's fat-burning capabilities, it's essential to delve into the science of how your body uses its primary fuel sources, stored sugar, glycogen, and fat. Each plays a pivotal role in energy production, but their usage can profoundly impact your weight loss and health. Glycogen, stored in the liver and muscles. Glycogen is the body's most accessible form of energy. It is primarily used during short bursts of activity, like sprinting or lifting heavy weights. Glycogen can be quickly converted into glucose, providing immediate energy. Fat, on the other hand, is a more concentrated energy source, offering more than twice the calories per gram compared to carbohydrates or proteins. Fat is metabolized slower than glycogen, which means it's typically utilized during prolonged, low to moderate intensity exercise, or during rest. Understanding how and when your body switches between using glycogen and fat can significantly influence your fat burning efficiency. Intensity of activity. During high-intensity activities, your body tends to use more glycogen because the demand for quick energy is higher. In contrast, during lower-intensity activities or at rest, the body is more likely to burn fat. Dietary influence. What you eat can also affect which fuel source your body prioritizes. A diet high in carbohydrates can increase glycogen stores, thereby making your body more likely to burn glycogen for energy. Reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing healthy fats can encourage your body to use more fat as fuel, a principle utilized in ketogenic diets. Hormonal control. Hormones such as insulin and glucagon also play crucial roles in determining whether fat or glycogen is burned. High insulin levels, often a result of carbohydrate-rich meals, inhibit fat burning and promote glycogen usage. Conversely, low insulin levels, from fasting or low carbohydrate intake, can trigger the body to burn more fat. By manipulating these factors, activity intensity, diet, and hormonal balance, you can guide your body to preferentially burn fat over glycogen. This not only aids in weight loss but also improves metabolic flexibility, allowing your body to efficiently switch between different energy sources depending on demand. This deeper understanding helps you tailor your diet and exercise strategies to not just lose weight but to sustain energy levels and overall health more effectively. We'll guide you through the basics of ketosis, where your diet should consist of approximately 5 to 10% carbohydrates, 25% proteins, and a significant 65 to 80% fats. This shift in macronutrient distribution helps your body to stop relying on sugar and start burning fat as its primary energy source. Egg yolks have long been at the center of the cholesterol debate, with many avoiding them due to fears of increasing bad cholesterol levels and the risk of heart disease. However, recent research offers a refreshing perspective, debunking these myths. While egg yolks are high in cholesterol, with about 185 milligrams per yolk, they don't necessarily harm blood cholesterol levels in most people. Instead of significantly raising LDL, bad cholesterol, eggs can increase HDL, good cholesterol, which is beneficial for heart health. Furthermore, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with high-quality proteins, essential amino acids, and vital nutrients like vitamins B12, riboflavin, folate, and minerals such as selenium. Given these findings, egg yolks can be safely included in a balanced diet, contributing to overall health without the undue risk previously attributed to them. Follow these insights to transform your body and health, burning fat more effectively than ever before. This comprehensive breakdown not only clarifies the process of burning fat but also encourages you to implement these strategies effectively, promising a healthier, more energetic you.